Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to play multiple videos in one screen. So without any further delay, let's start it. But before that, at first I download a animated background. To get royalty-free images and video footage, as I said before, my favorite website is pixabay.com. Now I search for background. Now let's say this time I download this video clip in 1920 by 1080 resolution. So our downloading is now complete. Now I just open this up and drag and drop it in this project media section. Now one by one I add these sample music files in this timeline. Now I insert a new video track and add the third one, and this time I just delete audio tracks from these video clips. Just like this, and add the fourth video of this timeline. We just successfully add these 4 video clips in this timeline. Now I split and delete the extra portion from these video clips. Now I delete this, and now I select the first music video clip and go to Video FX and search for Picture-in-Picture plugin. And drag and drop it in this first video clip. Now I simply resize it and set it right here. And for the second one, I set it here. In the same way for the third and fourth one, I just simply resize it and set it right here. Alright, now to add a background video, I just simply go to Project Media tab and insert a new video track and simply place it below of these 4 video clips. Now I simply drag and drop it, our background video, in timeline. Alright. Now I copy this clip and paste it here. And again I paste it here and set it just in this position. Alright. Now I insert another video track, and this time I insert a new text media, and this time I type all-time best songs. And select everything and set font size in 22 pixels and choose font style, this impact font, and resize it a little bit and decrease the transparency a little bit. And now I just scratch it like this. And finally this time I add a background music. To do this, at first I just simply insert a new audio track, and then in project media section, at first I just import a sample music file. And drag and drop it right here. Alright, and yes, we are pretty much done. Let's play this clip. Awesome, right? In this way, you can easily play multiple videos in one screen. Thank you so much for watching.